think we're good. Hey everybody, I'm Rebecca Minkoff. Welcome to my channel. So, who am I? Well, I'm a fashion designer. I've been in this industry for over 15 years, doing everything from incredible, globally recognized fashion shows to launching my first signature perfume, to just being behind the scenes, making it all come to life, and I'm so excited to share it with you. Most known for my handbags. I make beautiful, gorgeous handbags, but I also make some pretty sick apparel. I'm gonna go over all my tips, tricks, advice, everything I've learned over the last 15 years and give it to you so that you can succeed as you grow your career in this fashion industry, or maybe you're just a voyeur and you're fascinated. I'm here to entertain you. We are gonna get nitty-gritty on how to style things, how to wear things, prints on prints, no prints, proportions, all that stuff you needed to know but had no one to tell you. I got you. All right, you ready? Let's get into it.